So you just barely bought an FPV drone and you want to learn some tricks with it. Here are my top 5 tricks to take you from looking like a beginner to going to advanced. So how this is going to work is all these tricks are in order and they build off of each other. So the first one would be fundamentals. Now that's going to be your pitch, roll, and yaw. That would just be regular flying and getting good at that. Once you get really good at these, this is what every trick will be made up out of. Now my second one would be flips and a barrel roll. A flip is where you just flip the drone, so you're using roll or pitch, and a barrel roll is where you're using throttle plus roll or pitch. It would look something like this. Now my third one is a little bit harder, and this one's a power loop. Now it's going to act like a flip or a barrel roll. So for example, with these trees, I'm going to go under and power up. Once you reach about the peak of it, apply minimum throttle, and then you go through and back under the object, and you've completed a power loop. This is going to use your fundamentals and your flips. My fourth one is going to be a look back. Now what that is where you're flying and you apply throttle, and you're going to launch yourself up in the air, use your pitch, and flip the drone upside down. And you're going to be looking behind you upside down. This one is a little bit more complicated, but it's really fun to do. And especially it's amazing to do at sunrises or sunsets, or just really pretty locations. Now my fifth one is a split S. Now you're going to fly and you're going to flip so you're upside down and dive through and under that object and come back out. Now here's a bonus tip, and this will improve all of your other flights. This will be flying in proximity. And what I mean by this is you're going to want to be flying close to objects and trying to do the tricks as close as you can to the ground, to trees, but it will help your improvement, and it will help how accurate you are with these tricks. I'm Zane Shaw, and I hope you learned something. Keep flying.